This is something that Pops and I worked on. We brainstormed on for a little bit and came up with this great idea. And it's a kind of a quick connect, disconnect set of easy brackets for saddlebags for a real budget price. Didn't cost a lot of money. Had a local metal guy make them up out of stainless steel. And I'll show you how they work. Here's the bags. This is a set of throwover bags. They're road chrome. And I don't know if you can see inside there. There's a 9-inch by 2-inch piece of stainless steel. That's the backing plate for this plate up front here. Now, see this? It's angled, and when they're bolted together, it makes it kind of like a spring-loaded setup, you know. So it's really tight, and that bend is a 1/2 inch, makes up for a 1/2 inch because it's got to slip over a 1/2 inch saddlebag bracket on the bike. So I'll show you how that installs now. So throw the bag over, and just catch it like that. Push it down. There's one. Over here to this bag. I don't know if you can see that. Push down, and there's two. You can see they clip on there pretty tight. And that's it, they're on the bike.